Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me all those lovely places. This is the August Sephora Play Bay. The theme is Beauty Sidekicks. We got a little superhero comic book action here. Oh my gosh, I'm like nerding out just thinking about reading it. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, look, it's so cute. We'll get into it. Anyway, these are products. We got a fun comic. A lot to do in this video and very little time to do it. Let's go. Okay, so if you know me, you know I'm a big nerd. I like superhero things, so that's fun. The Adventures of Playbay! Resident superhero to make the most of your play box. That's right, the subscribers need her. So instead of 5 samples, you're getting 6. Finger guns. Oh, but look, you can recycle your play bag. What can you do with it? You can pack toiletries for travel, which is what I do. Apparently, you can save some snacks for later, and you can organize your beauty drawer. I don't know, is that a possum or a rat? I don't know, someone tell me. Possum or rat? Anyway, wait! There's Sephora points to use. I didn't use them that month. Okay, so we got beauty sidekicks on the other side. Every superhero needs a sidekick. Duh. My personal favorites, OTA, Original Team Arrow. And this month you will get 6 from Killer Strands to Glowing Skin. It's going to make you feel like you got superpowers. I might. I mean, I'm just saying I got the mark of the Kryptonian. And I've never seen me and Supergirl in the same room, so maybe I am Supergirl. Just saying. So we have... Whoop! Let's dump those out into my lap. We got Laura Mercier. It's Caviar Volume Mascara. Yeah, I'm not going to open it because they'll start the clock ticking. Really, you should only use your mascara like 3 months. So I have a whole bunch. So then we have Sunday Riley with their fake reviews on websites that they got busted for. Oops. To pump their own numbers. Oops. It's not going to stop me from using the products, though. We got the A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. So use a dime size on your skin between cleansing and moisturizing. And you're good to go. Wear sunscreen with it because it's a retinoid, though. Then we have Biossance. Something and Omega Squalane. I feel like people just play Scrabble when they decide what a ingredient is going to be called. Anyway, it is repair cream. You wear it. You can wear it in the morning. You wear it at night. I like to take repair creams and put them on at night like a sleeping mask. Oh, it's got a nice refreshing smell to it. Very relaxing. Then we have Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Okay, it's a moisturizer. Look at that. You can't see because the light. There we go. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. Ooh, very. I enjoy that. Also doesn't have sunscreen, so again I can use it for like model bag action. Then we have Amika, one of my favorite hair care lines. It's the Wizard. It's detangling primer. Yay! It also reduces blow dry time. We're starting to get that time of year where I gotta blow dry my hair if I wash it during the day. Yeah. I'm usually more of a night shower, let it air dry. And no, it's a bird. It's a plane. It's an extra sample. That's right. Alterna Haircare. Caviar anti-aging smoothing anti-frizz blowout butter. It protects and perfects medium to thick hair. I do not have medium to thick hair. I have like fine hair, but I have a lot of it. So I'm sure this will still work to anti-frizz me. So those are the beauty sidekicks. This is where to find me if you want to be my sidekick. I'm just saying, I've never seen me and Supergirl in the same room. So it is very possible that I am a Kryptonian alien and I have X-ray vision and I'm Supergirl. So you could be my sidekick. Just follow me. Till next time, stay beautiful.